This is not science fiction. It's real. Artificial intelligence is now a weapon of war, and in the shadows of the long-standing tension between Iran and Israel, AI is silently rewriting the rules of conflict. In this video, I'm breaking down how AI is actively being used right now in one of the most volatile flashpoints on Earth, the Israel-Iran conflict. Let's start with Israel. Israel is leading the charge. Its Iron Dome missile defense system, enhanced by AI. The AI predicts projectile trajectories in seconds, identifying threats from false alarms and directing interceptors with almost surgical precision. But that's not all. AI is also used for predictive analysis. Israeli intelligence agencies are scanning terabytes of surveillance data, video, audio, satellite imagery, using machine learning to predict terror plots before they unfold. Now let's turn to Iran. Iran isn't far behind. It's developing swarms of AI-powered drones capable of autonomous missions. These drones are designed to strike high-value targets with minimal human control. Iran is also investing in cyber AI, using algorithms to launch smarter, stealthier cyber attacks. And Israel has accused Iran of targeting infrastructure, banks, and power grids using AI-assisted malware. But this war isn't just physical, it's digital. AI-driven cyber warfare is now a key battlefield. Both sides are using AI to track dissidents, manipulate narratives, and disable critical systems. Imagine AI scanning millions of online messages to find a hidden code, or creating deep fakes to spread misinformation. That's not tomorrow. That's today. But here's the terrifying part. There are no international rules on how AI should be used in warfare. And when algorithms decide who lives and who dies, who's accountable? What started as code could become chaos. As the Israel-Iran conflict evolves, so does the role of AI. Fast, invisible, and sometimes unstoppable. If this shocked you, hit like. If you think the world needs to understand AI's dark side, share this video. And for more mind-bending breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe to HOWFINITY.